A new upgraded TV Titan Man just dropped, so let's give this a go. Rulers can be helpful when you're doing Skibidi toilet because there's lots of boxes and all this kind of stuff. So we're gonna go top line first. Use a pencil eraser for these, by the way. Hit pause if I go too fast. Let's rock. So we'll go across like so. Maybe a bit longer. So his head's over here, tilted, right? In this angle. Then we'll bring this down like so. And then we'll go across here. Basically just doing a rectangle. And then up the side. Like that. Okay, this is like the main screen. So we've got that sort of smiley W mouth inside, and then we go around again a couple of times, right? So we'll go around the main part first. So we'll go around the black box area, right? So we'll go across here, and then we go down. So you're just going around that again. This could be, I don't know, we'll make it pointy maybe. Okay, and then there's another, it seems like there's another box around this box on the inside. Okay, so handles coming out the side, right? So it seems like it goes out and down, and then we go up diagonally that way, right? And you do something similar over this side. So it comes out, up. It goes up this way, and I'm not sure if it connects back down behind the TV face, but we'll do it because I'm not really sure if they're just like hanging there or what. And they're like handles, right? So you got like an inside section, and then it goes up and down. And these might not be the way they are, but everything's really dark in this one. So we'll just do it like that. And we seem to have like these sort of jaggedy spikes around the back. I don't know if they're supposed to be sharp, but they look like they have square ends to me. Right, and then we got another TV, two of them, coming out from his TV head. This is like a static screen again, and then another one over this side. Again, rulers if you want for all them. So I'm going to go with the bottom of the TV. We could just see like the bottom of like where it joins his neck just here. I'm going to just do this. Like that. Just because that makes sense to me. Okay. Now, so he has like this big circle on his chest, and his arms go out this way. There's all these fins and more TV screens. So complicated. So it's like a big circle, right? We'll go for the circle first. It's just like underneath here. So moment of truth, just go around, just do a circle, do it. Okay. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle because it's like a weapon sort of a thing. So it can be a bit bumpy, I guess. And then we have circles inside, kind of like a bullseye going on. So it's like this purple light coming out from there. And then it's got a bit of an edge line going around it. And then this has circles inside the circles. Right, and then there's like, this one has like these double line things. And that's like glowing, right? And then this thing has like some connection things on the ends of it. And like there's all these like boxes and lines and stuff inside here. I'm sure this is actually like way more complicated than what I'm making it, but Simplify is the name of the game. There's all these spikes on it as well, right? So there's like one here. Going in that way. Ooh, what way is that one? And then it looks like there's one coming up from behind his TV there. Am I right? Or is it on the TV? Oh, okay, so there's like a little TV back down here on his belt. It's like his belt buckle. And there's like another screen inside with a funny face. Right, and then lots more spikes and things, right? So that one spike has like another arm to it, which goes down that way. Okay. And then I think there's another one over here, which like hooks back, so you gotta go like that way. Maybe like a bit of an edge. And then I think there's one here. And then like another one here. And I think here as well. Now, of course, anything I draw over, I will erase. And then there's like one there. Okay. So his arms then, so shoulder comes out here. And his body, so like the inside of the body and the belt, it comes across here. Okay. And what we can see of his other shoulder and neck and stuff, so like neck, collar, shoulder, going that way. And so his arm, then his arm will go bumping sort of down this way. The other side is like here. So then we have a TV on this arm and a TV here, but this one's like turned away from us a little bit. You can see a bit more of his body here. His leg kind of just goes there. Okay. But he's got this like accordion thing going on. And again, it's hard to see it because it's like it's all black. So it looks like there's like these little spikes, right? Going across behind this TV. That's what it looks like, at least. right? And they like go down his arm. They're like connected to his arm. So each of these will be a line like that. It's like a grill sort of a thing. And they will eventually go behind that TV. Okay, so we have this sort of square TV thing here. Right, it's got like a gray screen inside. We're going to give this a bit of an edge top part here. He's got another one of those smiley faces there. And then like a couple of extra details around the edge of this TV. Another grill there. Another one going that way. And then there's like spikes or like swordy type things. Like a lightning sort of style. So we'll go up, kind of stick out and up, down. These are like blades. He seems to have gotten rid of the helicopter propellers. Swapped them out for some spikes. So 2 or 3 on that side. Let's put another one anyway. There. Right, and then, so we'll go, so there's like the accordion situation on this side as well for this other TV, right? So we'll go, this is like, what way? What way is that? So I think it goes up a bit higher, down. There's like another box here or spike or something. Complicated that now. And like the TV itself is like here. And then another little smiley mouth. Like so, and then spike up, down. Down there. The spikes on the back, and then he's got like a weapon on his arm down here. So I'm looking at like 2 or 3 different pictures here now, so bear with me. So his arm seems to have a gun or a knife. Oh, it is a knife, isn't it? It's like a purple blade. Goes down that way. And then his arm is like here. So that's his arm, body, chest. Spike, spike. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like so. And then that's like glowing purple. Okay. Oh no, rocket on his back. It is a rocket, isn't it? So we'll go, again, it's just like black darkness. So I'm gonna like, rocket. Okay. TV Titan Man. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.